Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove icons from the taskbar in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and loaded. You'll want to wait until everything has completely booted up and your desktop is visible. This ensures that all taskbar elements are properly displayed and ready for you to interact with them. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop clearly, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is the horizontal bar that runs along the bottom of your Windows 11 interface and displays various application icons, the Start button, and system tray elements. The taskbar is where Windows keeps your most frequently used apps for quick access, but sometimes you might want to clean it up and remove icons you don't need anymore. Now take a look at the icons currently pinned to your taskbar. These could be anything from Microsoft Edge and File Explorer to third-party applications you've added over time. Identify the specific icon you want to remove from the taskbar. It could be an app you no longer use frequently, or simply one you'd like to declutter from your workspace. Once you've located the icon you want to remove, right-click directly on it. This action will bring up a small context menu with several options related to that specific application. The context menu is a quick way to access various functions without having to open the app itself, and it's where you'll find the option to manage how the icon appears on your taskbar. From the context menu that appears, look for the option labeled Unpin from Taskbar and click on it. This is typically located near the top or middle of the menu, making it easy to spot. The moment you click this option, the icon will immediately disappear from your taskbar. The change happens instantly, so you'll see your taskbar clean up right away without needing to restart your computer or refresh anything. And that's it, you've successfully removed an icon from your taskbar in Windows 11, giving you a cleaner and more organized workspace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.